Okay, do you have any laptop right now?
I don't have laptop, sir. Currently, I am working
Okay,
on some other one's computer
okay,
to learn
okay.
this. Yes, sir. That's why I have been searching in YouTube. Then I saw your video, sir.
Tell me your name.
Yes, sir. My name is Sivasai Pranay.
Okay,
Yes, sir. I am from Tanuku, a
okay,
small town in Andhra
okay,
Pradesh.
okay. I am
Started, sir.
asking to
I
you
got
that you have written your code in Python language. That is okay, no issue. But I want to ask if we want to add middle of two numbers without using predefined function, that is length you have used in your program. How we can do?
yes, sir. We can take a counter, sir, and by using for loop,
Okay.
we can calculate the total number of elements in the list, sir.
Yes. How
So
how
what
we
we are
can
doing is,
calculate total number?
yes, sir. What we are doing is, for item in list,
Okay.
we are doing counter equal to counter plus one, sir.
Okay.
So
Yes. Correct.
how many numbers are there in the list after the execution of the for loop? The counter value will be equal to the length of the list, sir.
Yes. Correct. Then after that, you how you calculated middle numbers?
Yes, sir. The middle value can be calculated by counter by 2, sir. The counter by 2 will get the middle value, sir. And the counter by 2 minus 1 will give the second middle
Okay.
number, sir.
Very good. Okay.
And yes, sir.
I am happy
And
to.
there's some,
Yes, I am happy with your answer, and I am happy to announce that you have winner of our round 2 contest that we have taken last week. Do you want to tell something?
yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. You are the only one I know in YouTube that are giving that are for inspiring students. You are giving you are providing laptops. Yes, sir. Hats off to you, sir, for your great work.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any laptop right now?
I don't have laptop, sir. Currently, I am working
Okay.
on some other one's computer
Okay.
to learn
Okay.
this. Yes, sir. That's why I have been searching in YouTube. Then I saw your video, sir. Then I saw your YouTube channel, and there is a lot of information in there. Then I realized, yes, sir, I will definitely learn, sir, from your
But
videos.
our lectures are in Hindi language. Do you know Hindi
Yes,
language?
sir. Yes, sir. I know some Hindi, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good.
Sir, I am unable to talk, sir, but I can understand the Hindi lectures, sir.
Good. Good. Very good. Okay. Thank you. I am happy with that. You have won that laptop from us, and laptop you have done this program really great, and best of luck for your future. Thank you.